Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to bridge Bank from the Ethereum network over to Polygon. Step one, we're going to make sure that we have Bank and ETH in our wallet. So we can open up MetaMask, we can check out our assets, and then we can see that I do have ETH and I do have Bank, so I'm good to go there. Next step, we're going to visit the Polygon bridge by searching Polygon bridge on Google, and then the first result is going to be the same page that I was on right now. From there, we are going to connect our wallet. We'll connect MetaMask in our case. Make sure that I'm connecting the right wallet. I'll sign the transaction. Okay, I'm now signed in. Once I'm signed in, I'm going to click the Polygon Bridge button. And once I'm here, I want to make sure that I'm deposit from Ethereum to the Polygon network. Change it. Instead of wanting to transfer Ether, we want to transfer the Bankless token. And now we just fill out the rest of the details. I'm going to send over 10,000 Bank, and now I click transfer. So now the final step, we're going to approve the transactions. There are two transactions that we have for the deposit. There's the actual approval of the deposit, and then there's completing the deposit to send it across the bridge onto Polygon. So I'm going to continue. Make sure that everything looks right. We're sending it from Ethereum over to Polygon. We're going to be using the proof of stake bridge. Okay, let's go ahead and send it. This will open up MetaMask. I will confirm. Processing the transaction. Looks like it just got approved on my side. All right, we have now approved. Now let's confirm the transaction. Continue. All right. It's actually only 73. I'm going to capitalize on this while it's so low. I thought it was going to be over 100, so we're going to continue. And we are now bridging our Bank token over to the Polygon network. Total cost, I think less than $100. Transfers en route. It'll take approximately 7 to 8 minutes for the deposit to get completed. On completion, your balance will be updated. Let's check out what happened over on Etherscan just to verify what's going on. So, over here on Etherscan, you can see that it was from me, Sweetman.eth. We interacted with the Matic bridge on Polygon, and then we deposited 10,000 Bank into the contract. And what is now probably happening over on the Matic side is 10,000 Bank is getting released into my wallet. Thank you, screen. I can confirm that by swapping my network over to the Matic mainnet. And now I just need to import the token. So let's see what the Bankless token looks like over here. I will copy the address, open up MetaMask, scroll down and click import token, paste that. Already autofills Bank. I add the custom token. And then boom, I'll import the token and it says I have a balance of 10,000 Bank. So we've confirmed it in two places that I have Bank on the Polygon network. Confirmed it inside of MetaMask. I've confirmed it inside of Polygon Scan. One last place I will go to confirm will be back inside of the Polygon wallet. Let's go over to the Polygon wallet, and now we will check out Bank token. Oh yeah, here it is. 10,000 Bank. So I can confirm that I do have my 10,000 Bank over on Polygon. So that is how you bridge your Bank token from the Ethereum mainnet over to Polygon. Check back soon. We will have another video showing you how to bridge the other way to take your Bankless token from Polygon and bridge it back to the Ethereum mainnet. Thanks everyone, and special thank you to the BanklessDAO for making this initiative possible.